What's up, my royal flush? It is I, J-Heart, the Queen of Hearts, and I'm back for another video. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys, well, not teaching you guys, but like show you guys how I do it. Usually I don't, but y'all, I'm looking kind of like dewy and like, you know, very oily and stuff because I had this makeup on for like 11 hours or something. So I'm about to show y'all guys like how to like calm this oil down. And if like, you know, if y'all going to a party or something, like, you know, like y'all can just do this to like, you know, kind of fix up your face real quick just to keep the party going, y'all. So yeah, if you guys are new to this channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also give this video a big thumbs up because it really helps creators a lot. And also hit that bell notification as well to be notified for my future uploads. And with that being said, let's just get into this video, y'all.
That's the reason we do this, baby. You better use it. Use your imagination. Let your mind free.
So currently it is like around 12 or something at night here. And I had this on because like I was really doing stuff like all day today, y'all. And today I'm going to be working with the LA Girl Pro face powders, which is like high definition pressed powders, which is like powders that I use for my what y'all gonna need is like some kind of like tissue or something like that. I'm about to use this paper that they got with Pop Beauty, and I'm about to just make sure y'all just dab off the extra excess oils. Actually, this is really perfect because this is like a paper meant for that, like, you know, for taking off your excess oil. Now that we got the excess oils dabbed off, I'm going to take the LA Girl Pro Finish Powder in True Bronze. Oh, okay. And I want to take that on a Makeup Shack, what the fuck is this, T40 brush. And make sure y'all be careful because this powder is very backy and it will kick back, y'all. And this also adds a little coverage. So like if your foundation is a little worn off, so now like we looking kind of matte. Oh, y'all, we looking good. Okay, we looking good again. So we about to just redo everything. Like we about to just re-blush and re-highlight. We don't really need to re-contour, honestly. For my blush, again, I'm going to use my Milani Dolce Pink Blush, which is exactly what it sounds like in the name, a pink blush. And we about to just put that everywhere I had it before. Ooh, a little sun-kissed moment, okay. Okay, so I'm going to take my Morphe X Bretman Rock palette, re-highlight. Okay, y'all, so now we're looking all re-highlighted, you know, now we're going to have to reset our face. So for my setting spray, like I did before, my Morphe setting spray. Okay, so we just have a little, you know, we just have a little separation like up under here, of course, and on my nose, but y'all gonna be in the dark, y'all gonna be in the club, nobody really gonna notice unless they even get it up to your face, nobody really gonna see. So now we looking real good. We looking like, you know, back and refreshed. Like, you know, like our makeup just like not really got freshly done, but pretty much freshly done. Y'all, side note. So I tried microwaving my beauty sponges in the microwave, right, to get some of the oils and dirts and stuff, all that shit out of it. And it somewhat worked, because I have them all in this small teacup. So, and it somewhat worked. Now, it didn't clean it itself. Of course, I had to squeeze like the rest of it out, but it was like somewhat worked. If you guys like this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And I will see you guys in my next video. I know today was like a short video, but I just wanted to do something quick just to show y'all how to like retouch up your makeup if you wanted to after like a certain amount of wear or something like that. But yeah, guys, and I will catch you guys in my next video.